Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of 0 to 60. Now I need to apologise for the lack of videos in the last few days, but there seems to be something wrong with my voice. I have no idea what it is.
Well, I put it to you that you sucked off a horse.
But it does make filming videos rather difficult. Now this video is going to be a quick video on a feature I found on the Android when I was messing around with the reversing camera about 5 days ago. So I have put it through its paces and it does work really well. And it's a feature that somehow gets the Android to control an iPhone's hotspot. Now I know if I was using an Android phone with the Android unit, you can actually set those up to pair the hotspots really well, but what we've been doing with the Android in this until last week, and even the Android in David's 540, every time you get in the car you have to activate the iPhone's Wi-Fi hotspot, the Android connects, and then you're good to go. Now you think that's all good, but if it happens to disconnect, so if you get into an area where the 3G or 4G is not very good, it will disconnect the Wi-Fi hotspot, and then you have to manually activate it on your phone. It's fine when you're parked up before you leave your house, but it's not something you want to do while you're driving. It's not safe. And sometimes it gets frustrating. Anyway, I need to show you what's going on because the Android is now completely controlling the iPhone's hotspot. It's Bluetooth It's Bluetooth hotspot. Okay, so I'm going to leave my phone there. We'll turn the car on. Start the car up because it's hot. Okay. Phone's there. I know the phone's charging, but it works exactly the same whether you've got it on a charger or not. And I just want to see what the Android does. I'm going to let it play in real time. Okay, now that little icon, hopefully you guys can see it there, means that this is connected to the hotspot, and you can see the iPhone's hotspot is activated at the top there. So if we go to YouTube, I'll go to the next video. So it has to load that video. And there we are. We have internet. It takes seconds. Man, I still got to learn how to use a touchscreen. You know you're getting old when. And see how fast it buffers. Oh, there we go. And it's playing. We're good to go. So yeah, the internet does work, and it is fast enough to watch. Oh, we got a dripper. I'm just going to turn it off. It is fast enough to watch videos. We normally use, well, I've been using Spotify and YouTube Music lately. But yeah. Oh, and even Waze, actually. Let me just go into it quickly. And there we go. We have Waze load. It does seem slow right now. There we go. We've got Waze loading. So with all that done, yeah, you can basically get in the car. You're good to go and good to drive. One thing I have noticed, now it is using the phone's Bluetooth, so it's not as fast as the phone's Wi-Fi hotspot. But the sacrifice in speed, I think, is well worth it for the ease of connectivity. And I just want to, I had it up before, I'll just do a speed test and we'll see what sort of internet speed we do get. And yeah, so it's getting up 0.8. I did do a test and it was around 1 megabit per second on the weekend. So 0.8 is a little bit slower. But I think this is the only negative. You are limited by the Bluetooth speed. Let's just let it go through. I think that's now testing upload. Again, I haven't done anything on the phone except just show you the home screen, well, not even the home screen, just the sleep screen. So they're the speeds that we get through Bluetooth. Not that good. I will show you the Wi-Fi hotspot speed before we finish. God, this touchscreen's been real dicky today. Unless I'm sweating because I'm sick. Now, to activate this feature, I didn't know it was there, but I'll show you where I found it. And I did it when I was playing with the reverse camera settings. So if we go to basically settings for the Android, then we go to car. That needs to go away, whoever that is. Then we go to car. Then we go to factory settings. Factory settings on this one is 3368, I think. Oh, God. 3368. Okay, that goes into this menu. Now this menu gives you sort of deep features that you're not supposed to play with, but the feature that we wanted to enable, or you need to enable to do this automatic Bluetooth thing, is in the other section, and it's called Bluetooth network sharing. By default, that was off. All I had to do was turn it on, click apply, it restarted the unit, and then the next time it powered up, it automatically turned the phone's... Sorry guys, let's just dismiss this. It automatically turned the phone's hotspot on. And it is so much better. I think I mentioned it in the intro. When you're driving around with the normal Wi-Fi hotspot, if you lose 3G or 4G connection, you then have to actually touch the phone and turn the Wi-Fi hotspot on. Then you have to connect the Wi-Fi through this thing. and it's just all a little bit of dicking around. But with the Bluetooth, you turn the car on and it connects straight away, and it is definitely fast enough for normal internet use while you're in the vehicle. What I will do, I'll just do a speed test. I've got it here on the actual phone, so you can get an idea of how much slower the Bluetooth is versus Wi-Fi. So the phone, yeah, it's getting around 20 to, oh, it's a bit intermittent with the old 4G, but yeah, I mean, that's a pretty quick speed, 40 megabits per second. And if I turn the phone's hotspot on, which is this one, if I turn that on, it will then turn on the Wi-Fi hotspot. Andrew, so it's going to connect to the Wi-Fi. Andrew's iPhone connecting. Actually, I bet it won't work with the Bluetooth. But I know, just so that you guys do know, the Bluetooth connection is definitely slower than the Wi-Fi. But again, we've been using this for 4 or 5 days and we've had no issues with the internet speed. You get that 1 megabit per second, which is absolutely fine for videos, Netflix, Spotify, what have you. But anyway, I just want to make a quick video. Hopefully this isn't too complex. But yeah, if you've got an Android unit, make sure you turn on Bluetooth network sharing, because it makes the whole process of connecting to your iPhone absolutely seamless. Couldn't recommend it enough. Guys, I'm going to end it off there. I know it's a short one. We'll be back to some more videos when I'm not profusely sweating and sounding like I hit puberty 20 years later than I should have. All right, we'll catch you on the next one. Peace.